If it's a top too tight, I carry a scarf. I always carry a bag in which I have a cord, in which I have something sharp in case some danger befalls me.
And I have to look out for anyone who tries to touch me inappropriately.
Backpacks are called backpacks for a reason, not for women. Backpacks are what you use so that you can ward off inappropriate gropes on your breasts and your backside from unwanted predators.
Right now I'm going back home. So for this I have to take an auto, metro, and then again another auto to reach my home. So during this 1 hour, I constantly have to look out for myself. Firstly, that the auto that I'm taking is taking me to the right direction or not.
I try not to board an auto late at night when there are only men in it, and I somehow cannot trust that they will not gang up on me. I live in constant fear, and if a man or several men in groups they look at me for more than 5 seconds, my heart starts racing.
People actually stare at you in a very weird way, which actually makes you feel very uncomfortable, because even and whenever, like, my nearby metro station, the nearest auto stand is actually deserted. Like, autos, I have to wait for the autos.
There's somebody following you, there's somebody looking at you, and you just have to rush home, and you just have to make sure that that last mile, from the station to your home is covered very, very quickly.
जब मैं आ रही हूँ, ठीक है, कार में हूँ, बस में हूँ, तब तक सब ठीक है. बट जब मैं एक लास्ट पाथ अपने घर तक के लिए ले रही हूँ, वो सुनसान रोड, दैट एरिया जहाँ पे कोई भी नहीं है, रात का टाइम है, मुझे नहीं पता मेरे साथ क्या हो सकता है.
We feel threatened, especially in areas which are dark or deserted, when there are no people around.
एक बार हुआ था कि अगर शेयर कैब्स होती हैं, यू डोंट इवन नो कि आपके साथ कौन जा रहा है. और कभी उस शेयर कैब में एक थोड़ा ये अजीब चीज़ थी कि ड्राइवर के साथ भी उनका एक आदमी था जो उनके साथ बैठा हुआ था.
While going in the morning, that is fine, but while I will return, it will be 9 p.m. and the stretch from my office till MMTS station is not that much crowded, and there are not street lights are not there also. So when I will cover that distance, I will be feeling little bit scared. That time I will call my husband or my mother so that I won't be feeling alone.
तो उस समय मैंने अपने फैमिली को कॉल पे रखा था, परमानेंटली कॉल पे रखा था. ऐसा दिखाया था कि someone is there for me, someone is waiting for me at my destination.
These days, even Ola, Uber or any other taxi, they're not safe for girls at all. So even if I have to travel a shorter distance from my home to airport or to any shop, I'll think twice.
At this point, I will not even feel safe with a man who has tried to help me. I will only feel safe with a woman.
ठीक है मैम, चलिए, नहीं हमें रात हो जाएगी, दिक्कत हो जाएगी, डर लग रहा है. मेरे सब जा रहे हैं, ऑफिस वाले सब साथ निकल जाएंगे. थैंक यू मैम, गुड नाइट.